Hello guys, and welcome to a MCraft Pro / Equinox Designs tutorial, in which I will be showing you how to make something similar to this. It is not the template itself, but the actual sidebars. And let's get started. So we're going to open up our template. This is the custom template that I made myself. Oops, no. We have to open up our template again. And there it is. And to start off, we're going to actually make a new layer. Then we're going to select our polygon elastic tool, as you see right there. And we're going to zoom in to our project. And using this tool, you're going to hold shift and click right above the top of our project. And holding shift allows it only to be in a straight line or a diagonal 45-degree angle. So straight down, we're going to make the length of our sidebars. And then click and holding shift again, drag to the right. And oops, gotta do that again real quick. And then you're going to drag up your project parallel to this line and connect them. Once you have that, it should be a relatively nice looking shape. And let me open up my layers tab. Okay, now you're going to take your paint bucket tool on your new layer, and we're going to fill it in with a silvery color. Now you can hit Control D to deselect, and we're actually going to move it over so that it is level with the top of our template. And then once we have that, you're going to double click this layer, add a drop shadow with an angle of 90 degrees positive, and add a bevel and emboss with a contour and a texture. You don't need the texture, but I believe it looks nice with this one, and it's scaled down. Then what you're going to do is hit OK, and as well as that, you can select your layer and hit Control J, which will create a copy of your layer. And then going to Edit, Transform, and Scale, you can, by holding shift, drag out your new shape and drag it over, not that far, but enough, and then hit enter. Then when you drag this layer on top, as you can see, there's a definite line between the two, which makes it look nicer. Then we're going to go to our bottom layer, which is the big one that we just created, and we're going to add a color overlay. And that actually looks pretty nice, but the background's not that color. And we're going to double click this and make a color overlay of that color. So now the red actually looks pretty nice on the background template. Then you're going to come here and hit Control J on both of our layers, and then drag them next to each other. We're going to close out the FX. And then holding shift again on our two layers that we just created, holding shift, click on both, which will select both, and using our move tool and our flip horizontal tool, we can create a replica of this for the other side of our template. And if you see, when we zoom out, these sidebars create a nice aspect to our template and make it look much cleaner and nicer. But also you can see that these are exactly level with this actual project. So this is a simple, easy way to make sidebars, and you can add designs or wires or whatever you want. And this is MCraft Pro, also known now as Equinox Designs, signing off from a Photoshop tutorial on how to create sidebars. Thank you for watching.